Desygner, a user-friendly graphic design platform, offers numerous opportunities for individuals to earn money online in 2024. Here are the top 18 ways to make money using Desygner. 1. Freelance graphic design. Utilize Desygner's intuitive design tools to create visually appealing designs for clients across various industries. 2. Sell design templates. Create and sell custom design templates on Desygner Marketplace to earn passive income. 3. Become a Desygner affiliate, promote Desygner, and earn a commission for every new user you refer. 4. Offer design services. Provide design services such as logo design, social media graphics, and website design using Desygner. 5. Create design courses. Utilize Desygner to create design courses for beginners or advanced designers. 6. Design for print-on-demand. Utilize Desygner to create designs for print-on-demand products such as t-shirts, posters, and mugs. 7. Design for social media advertising. Create social media advertising designs for businesses using Desygner. 8. Design for event promotion. Utilize Desygner to create designs for event promotion such as flyers, posters, and banners. 9. Design for real estate. Create real estate designs such as property brochures, floor plans, and signage using Desygner. 10. Design for education. Utilize Desygner to create educational designs such as lesson plans, worksheets, and presentations. 11. Design for healthcare. Create healthcare designs such as infographics, posters, and brochures using Desygner. 12. Design for nonprofit organizations. Utilize Desygner to create designs for nonprofit organizations such as fundraising campaigns and event promotions. 13. Design for startups. Create designs for startups such as pitch decks, product designs, and branding materials using Desygner. 14. Design for small businesses. Utilize Desygner to create designs for small businesses such as business cards, flyers, and social media graphics. 15. Design for e-commerce. Create designs for e-commerce such as product images, packaging designs, and email newsletters using Desygner. 16. Design for travel. Utilize Desygner to create designs for travel such as travel guides, brochures, and posters. 17. Design for sports. Create designs for sports such as team jerseys, posters, and social media graphics using Desygner. 18. Design for food. Utilize Desygner to create designs for food such as menus, packaging designs, and social media graphics. These are just a few ways to make money using Desygner. With its user-friendly interface and wide range of design tools, the possibilities are endless.